Hello students, I am Rahul Singh. I have done my BTech from IIT BHU and I am working as a physics faculty at IPM. Today we are going to discuss a problem on optics in which object is lying horizontally and plane mirror is making 45° with the horizontal. We have to find how image will be formed of this object. 4 options are given, A, B, C, D, and we have to find the correct option. The answer of this question is option C. Now we will see how we will solve this problem. So to find the image of point A, we need 2 incident light from point A. So let us draw first incident light from point A. This is first incident light from point A on plane mirror. It is making 90° with the plane mirror. So reflected ray will go in the same direction and it will make 90° with the plane mirror. So I and R are same. For second incident ray, we are going to draw a horizontal incident ray on this plane mirror like this. Now we have to find reflected ray, we need to draw normal at this point. This is making 90° with this with the plane mirror. So incident ray is making 45° with the normal, so reflected ray will also make 45° with the normal. Now these 2 reflected rays are not meeting at a point. So what we will do, we will extend these 2 reflected rays behind the mirror so that they can meet at a point. Now we are extending these reflected rays. The point where these 2 reflected rays are meeting will be point A of the image. So this will be point A. Similarly, to get point B, we will follow the same procedure. Incident light is making 90° with the plane mirror, so reflected ray will be in the same direction. We will extend this reflected light in behind the mirror, and this is the second incident light from point B will be horizontal and it will reflect vertically like this, and upon extending it will meet this ray at point B here. So we are finally getting point A and point B in the reflected light. So image will be formed like this. So the correct option will be C. Thank you.